behind Sharon because if he spat it out and we're in his way.
Yeah. I'll be likely not to hit myself. So that's a good way to do it.
So he's going to jump in that barrel?
Right. All right, fellas. Do we have a name for this thing? Do we have a name for this beast?
I don't know yet. Old Bessie?
Old Bessie. All right. Good luck, old Bessie.
My phone's not working.
Old Bessie's flying. Old Bessie is at full power. I'm going to come down by us. There's your 360 turn. I'm using a lot of rudder for this turn and a little bit of aileron. Now I'm going to come down by us. Let's back up a little bit.
How's she feeling?
Feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. And now I'm going to turn into the wind. A lot of rudder.
Yeah, there's a lot of barrels next to us, so
Yep.
make sure you come out a little farther. If you want to walk towards the barrels, you might want to. All right, you passed it. Go to the right.
Okay. Not terrible. Not terrible. The gear was just not strong enough. The gear was just not strong enough. All right, guys. She flies.
Thank you.
She's aerodynamic. All right.
Success. Good job.